Hello everyone, today I will try to show you all some puff hairstyle hacks. Plus they are all without teasing or backcombing puff styles. So let's get started. At first I will show 3 different shapes for middle puff hairstyle. In rectangular shape, I will take my front middle hair in a rectangle way, as like this way. Now I will comb the hair. Remember, you should always comb your hair at first from the front and then underneath the hair, as this way your hair will become ready for a puff style. Now by twisting my hair for double time, I will push it forward. And plus, if you need any adjustment from the front, then you may do so. Now I am using 2 jumbo bobby clips and clipping my hair in a and this time I will hold my hair from both the corner of ponytail and will pull them to make it tight, due to which it will create this kind of puff at the middle. As now after adjusting it, you will get this type of middle puff. For my third hack, I will comb my hair and will try to gather my front middle hair together without adding the hair from the underneath. Now I will take a hair tie and will tie my hair. Again, by dragging my hair tie a little further, as you can see, my underneath of the puff has a small hole. So now I'm gonna take this type of small pump bit and will insert inside that hole. As you can see how I did it. Now I will twist and clip my hair. This is how is it look now. So these are my 3 middle puff hairstyle hacks. Next I will show 3 full puff hairstyle hacks. For my first hack, I will comb my hair like before, but this time I will gather my front full hair and then will tie a hair tie. Now by taking this type of big pump bit, I will insert inside the hole, and then by twisting my hair, I will clip it by using 2 jumbo bobby clips. So here is my full puff cut ready. To smooth it out, I will comb the front portion of my hair. Now to make both the corner tight, I will clip them by using 2 bobby clips. So here is the final look of my full puff hairstyle. Now for my second hack, I will at first make a middle front puff. And then I will separate my one side corner hair, and by combing it nicely I will bring this hair to the other side of my middle puff. Like this way. Now after a single twist I will clip it by using a bobby clip by pointing it to the inside of my hair. And then I will just try to comb my hair to match both the partition together. So this is how it looks. Now like same way I will do with my other side hair. As same like before, with a single twist I will clip a bobby clip by pointing it to the inside of my hair. So here is the final look. For my third hair, I will at first separate my front middle hair for a while. Now I will take my hair from my one side, and then by smoothing out I will clip it by using a jumbo bobby clip. Like this way. Same way I will take my other side hair, and again by smoothing out I will clip it with a jumbo bobby clip. So this is how it looks from both the corner and the back. Now I will take off my clutcher. And After combing from front and underneath of my hair, I will make a puff and will clip it by using two jumbo bobby clips in a crisscross way. So after adjusting from the front, my full puff is ready now. And this is the final look. Hope you liked my all puff hairstyle hacks. So if you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So bye and see you next time.